Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the app you are trying to install is not a Microsoft verified app. So this issue when you are trying to install application on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix it guys. Right click on the start icon, select settings. On left side select apps, on right side select advanced app settings. Choose where to get apps, select this drop down and you can select three of these options guys anywhere. So don't select this option guys, the Microsoft Store only recommended. This will only allows install apps from the Microsoft Store guys. So guys, I recommend to select you guys anywhere guys. After selecting this anywhere, your problem will be solved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.